Hello and welcome to Digital Scrapbooks and More's tutorials. My name is Sherry Barlow and I'm the trainer for this particular tutorial. Now, once you get into digital scrapbooking, you want some digital scrapbooking supplies or even training. And if you buy them online or get them online, then you need to download them and unzip them before you can use them. That's why we made these particular tutorials. The first tutorial is how to download the files, and the second tutorial will be about unzipping them. So let's get started downloading our digital scrapbooking supplies, and so we can start digital scrapbooking today. Here we are at Digital Scrapbooks and More's website, and this is a really great place to come if you want to practice downloading, because we usually have a few free items that you can practice on. So today, to show you how to download, I'm going to go over here and go to the freebie page and click on it. Here we go. When this page loads, we can go and get a few items to download. Now, your page might look a little different if you're following along, because every once in a while we update this page and offer different items for free to download. And this particular day, there's several step-by-step tutorials that are available, and there's also a free digital kit. And this is what we're going to actually download today. And again, if you're following along, it might look a little different, the items that you might be able to download, but it works about the same. Now, usually when you come to a download area, there's about 3 ways that the person who built the website has you start the download. One, it could be you click on the picture. That's not the case in this particular case. You actually click on the words, click here, or they could be any words that indicate that if you click on them that a download will start. Also, another very popular way to start the download process is to push a button. And if you go to our scrap shop and you buy something, that's most likely how you'll start the download process when you actually buy something. But for now, in this free area, you click right here. Once you click on the item, whether it was the picture, the words, or even a button, it works all the same in that this little pop-up comes up and it gives you several choices. And if you're new to downloading, your instinct will be to push the open button, but don't do it. If you're downloading a zip file, which we can see right here is a compressed file, it usually corrupts the file to open it because it has to be extracted before you can open it. So the way that you do this particular download is you do save. And once you push save, it'll take you to an area where you might have saved last. And if that's an area that you know, you can save in it. But generally speaking, it takes you to a bizarre place that you might not ever be able to find again. So my suggestion is to go and create a folder or take it to a folder you're really familiar with. In this particular case, I want to go to my documents because I know I can get to it later because it'll be important to do that. I also have a folder for scrapbooking items that I've already created, and I want to actually save my item here because I will be able to find it later. Whatever you do, put your folder, your file that you just downloaded in a folder that you can find later because you'll need that to extract it. Now, here's my file that I just got from the website, and I'm going to push the save button. Once I do save, it puts it right into that folder. And sometimes it takes a little bit longer, sometimes it takes a little bit, it's fast like that. It just depends on how big the file size and what kind of internet connection you have. So if yours takes a little longer, especially if you bought something from the scrap shop and it's a big file, it might take a few minutes, so be patient. All right, once you do that, you actually need to go to that folder and do the unzipping process. And that's in the next tutorial. Okay, now we've downloaded and we are ready to go to unzipping. So please check out the next tutorial and find out how to unzip these so that you can start using your digital scrapbooking supplies or tutorials today.